that the common factors are the common friends of numbers. That is, they are the factors which are common to two numbers. So if I take the number 10 has friends 10, 2, 5 and 1. And number 9 has friends or factors 3, 9 and 1. So I see that 1 is a common friend to both 10 and 9. In fact, 1 is the only common friend to 10 and 9. There are no other common friends or there are no other common factors of 10 and 9. So the factors of 10 are 1, 2, 5 and 10. And the factors of 9 are 1, 3 and 9. Now what are the common factors? So 10 has 1, 9 has 1. Now 9 has 3 as a factor, but 10 does not have 3 as a factor. 9 has 9 as a factor, but 10 does not have 9 as a factor. So 1 is a common factor to both 10 and 9. So common factor of 10 and 9 is 1. Now for 10 and 9, 1 is the only common factor. But 1 is the common factor to any two numbers or any three numbers or any four numbers, because 1 is the factor of each and every number. So 1 is a common factor of any two numbers. In this case, we see that 1 is the only common factor of 10 and 9. And such numbers have a special name. These numbers are called co-prime numbers. Numbers which have no common factor apart from 1 are called co-prime numbers. So the numbers which have only 1 as their common factors are called co-prime numbers or co-primes. So we say that 10 and 9 or 9 and 10 are co-prime numbers because the only common factor they have is 1. Now can you find the common factors of 7 and 9? So first let us list down all the factors of 7 and 9. This method is called the listing method because we list down all the factors. Now the factors of 7 are 1 and 7 because 7 is a prime number. The factors of 9 are 1, 3 and 9. Now let us find the common factors. So 7 has 1 as a factor. 9 also has 1 as a factor because 1 is the factor of every number. 7 has got 7 as a factor, but 7 is not a factor of 9. So this is not a common factor. So the only common factor of 7 and 9 is 1. So what is the common factor of 7 and 9? It is 1. So 1 is the common factor of 7 and 9. It is the only common factor. There is no other common factor. So 7 and 9 are called co-prime numbers. So 7 and 9 are called co-prime numbers. Now can you answer this question? Are 26 and 33 co-primes? That is, are they co-prime numbers? Let us see. So first we need to list down their factors, all the factors of 26 and 33. Once we list down the factors, we see that the factors of 26 are 1, 2, 13 and 26. The factors of 33 are 1, 3, 11 and 33. Now what are the common factors? So in 26 there is 1 which is there in all the numbers. So 1 is there in 33 as well. In 26 I have 2, but 2 is not there in 33. 2 is not a factor of 33. 13 is a factor of 26, but 13 is not a factor of 33. 26 is a factor of itself, but 26 is not a factor of 33. So I see that the common factors or common factor of 26 and 33 is only 1. So common factor of 26 and 33 is 1 and just 1. So I can say that 26 and 33 are co-primes. So they are co-prime numbers or co-primes. So this is how you can find whether two numbers are co-prime numbers or not. Find out the common factors and see what are the common factors. If the common factor is only 1, then the numbers are called co-prime numbers. 1 is the minimum number of common factors which two or more numbers can have, because 1 will be a factor to every number. So you take any two numbers and you will find that 1 will always be there in the list of the common factors of those two numbers. But when 1 is the only common factor, that is when we say that the numbers are co-prime numbers. If you like this video, then subscribe to our channel. You can also register for free at deltastep.com to get all the learning resources as per CBSE, ICSE, IB, Cambridge or any other curriculum. Over 5,000 amazing lectures on maths, science, English and social science. Our unique interactive video technology keeps you engaged, and our iDictionary feature allows you to quickly revise any concept. Master each topic at your own pace with our adaptive practice technology and 1 million plus questions. Get instant answers and detailed solutions. Be exam ready by taking unlimited mock tests, performance analysis along with actionable feedback, personal tutors to resolve the slightest of your doubts. And that's not all. You can also win exciting prizes like PlayStations, iPads, watches, and many more, along with certificates through our Earn As You Learn program. So at deltastep.com, learning is not just fun and easy, it is rewarding too. So register for free now.